Bini members appreciated Bini Aya's advocate to inspire Bini and Blooms to choose a healthier lifestyle. During the interview pagkatapos ng Bini Fun Run, Bini realized they are not just an idol, but they can inspire a lot of people. That simple 10-kilometer Bini route na ginawa ni Bini Aya can make a big difference. Dito nagsimula na magkaroon ng madaming Bini Run Club. Nag-organize at naglulunsad na ang mga Blooms ng mga activity for Bini Run Club. Nilalahukan ito ng lahat, no age limit, mapabata man at matatanda. Maa-amaze ka that Bini Aya's advocate to be fit and choose a healthy lifestyle, to exercise regularly ay ginagawa ng mga Blooms. The Bini route that Bini Aya made at pagkakaroon ng maraming Bini Run Club, naging daan sa idea sa Bini Fun Run. The Bini Fun Run last June 23, 2024 ay naging matagumpay, smooth at naging maganda ang experience ng lahat. Tinatayang 6,000 na mga Blooms ang dumalo. And a lot of Blooms decided to continue to run as Bini started it. And one Bloom commented that if there is a Blooms Run Club, what if magkaroon ng Blooms Bike Club din? Well, nothing is impossible as Blooms put it in mind and organize it. Bini influence to inspire Blooms can make a big difference in choosing a better and healthier choice.